There are periods where this topic of emerging managers comes into vogue, and there are other periods when investors just completely shy away from them. And obviously, it wanes, wanes and fades with the attraction for risk assets. The way I like to think about emerging managers is to basically analyze them in three dimensions. The first dimension is, in my opinion, the most important dimension, which is having a very clear understanding of your investment philosophy. Now, this may sound very obvious, but I've found in my experience that a small subset of managers actually understand what they're really good at. So I'll get to that in a minute. The other two categories are how a PM or a GP thinks about structuring his business. Now, this is not just talking about operational side. It's about thinking about incentives in a smarter way. It's about thinking about how I'm going to put a team of people together. It's about thinking of how I'm going to structure my terms so that I can achieve my objectives with the least amount of risk, or an optimal level of risk. The third dimension is risk management, and again, that's a very hackneyed topic, and everybody talks about risk management. But what I've found is when investors, and I'm absolutely sure I'm guilty of the same, have picked managers. There is no dearth of analytical firepower available, on Wall Street. So the analytics are there, the intellects are there. So when investors go to pick emerging managers, I feel they have to make a two-pronged bet. The first bet is on the analytics, and we know that there is a lot of analytical firepower, so that part is okay. But where I feel investors take a guess, or are forced to take a guess or a bet on, with very little information or signal value, is the risk management part of it. So I'm getting an excellent analyst with a great analytical mind and experience picking stocks or bonds or whatever the asset class is, but I'm taking a bet on their risk management philosophy and style. So that's how I generally think about the three categories.